Right now, travel sentiment is hitting a notable spike at plus 0.70, with momentum rising to plus 1.01. This isn't just a random uptick, it's a significant shift compared to our historical baseline. You're looking at a wave of positivity that's unusual for this time of year, suggesting a surge in traveler enthusiasm, perhaps driven by recent destinations reopening or new travel deals. What's even more interesting is the emergence of 20 semantic clusters, highlighting the nuances in traveler sentiment. This means you can pinpoint exactly what aspects of travel are resonating with your audience right now. Imagine using this API to tailor marketing campaigns aimed at specific travel trends, ensuring your messaging aligns with what's hot in the market. If you're ready to leverage this insight, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful.